Good morning, guys. I'll try again because my phone is flipping again, and just sort of stop recording and then talk like about 1500 burst shots. Anyway, how is everyone? It's Thursday, it's about 7:10 and day 4 of the school holidays. I think it's a chill day today, definitely from Dave and the kids' point of view. I have a feeling that he has got the bedroom planned because their bedroom is so messy. It's untrue. Let's see if I can just cross over here. No, I don't think I can. Hold on one second, guys. Again, bit of a hold up on the main road. So yes, hopefully when I get home today their room will be nice and tidy. I won't lie, today has not been the greatest start. This morning I was making Dave a coffee, as I do every morning before I leave for work, and poured the coffee in the cup, water, went to the fridge, got the milk, turned back. Half of the drink is missing and all over the worktop. There was a big, thin hairline crack all the way down and then all the way under. So that wasn't the greatest thing when I was trying to wash as well. So my cup had to go in the bin. Anyway, I'm going to do a standard day at work today so I can finish about 3:30, which is still quite early. And then scooty on home. So I'll see you later. Hi guys, so I've now finished work. Another lovely shop there, look at that. Doesn't that look nice with them flowers? Anyway, I'm heading home now. Not feeling too great today, I'll be honest. Felt ill nearly all day. Felt really sick and hot, and I think I'm coming down with some flu-y symptoms. But there is no time for me to get ill. I've got things to do with the babies. So I'm just sort of trying to ignore it at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to head home and see what everyone's been up to today.
Guys, I've been playing the Wii today and we went through all the mini games and I've got proof I did. And we went through about 40 mini games. And now Mummy says,
hey guys, so I'm home now and I just feel so bad.
And we're going to and
after
I was
tea.
busy watching Kids City.
Yeah, you were, weren't
If
you?
you've watched it, you know about it.
So I feel so incredibly rough. I've got my pyjamas on, my dressing gown, I'm under 2 blankets. I just feel sick and cold. But then when you touch your skin, it hurts because you're hot. I think I'm coming down with the flu for sure. I'm about to fight it off because I haven't got time to be ill. I can't afford any time off. But I feel hot. I haven't got time to be sick. I can't afford sick at work. So either way, I need to get up early. And I was going to do 6 hours, but if I still feel like this, it'll be half a day, I reckon. Or, well, 4 hours. But the 2 hours do make all the difference. So Dave's just getting some tea on. And we're going to watch Doctor Who.
But we're watching Kids See.
At the moment. And then Doctor Who. So we'll catch up with you while we have our tea.
Yeah.
Just before. So Dave has made me a nice bowl of noodles with hot dog sausages. And even though I still feel ill, it does taste very nice. And the kids have nearly polished theirs off. And we're about to watch Doctor Who. So we'll see you again after Doctor Who.
I think of you and it takes me to a special place in my mind where we can be together, and I still hope that you'll be mine forever, even though you're far away. I still know we need to win. We are together.
So guys, Isaac's begging for one more game of swordplay. Should I let him have one more game? It is 11:30 at night. We've been a bit cheeky, haven't we? You're gonna have to sneak up to bed. Poor Chelle's not been well tonight, and so anyway, this vlog has been really short. We do apologise, but we also say that we never vlog. We never vlog just for the benefit of the. We never film for the benefit of the vlog. We just let you see our lives as they are. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Please comment. We do reply to every single one of you, even if it might be a few days out. We do. And if you're brand new here, please subscribe. And if you've recently subscribed, welcome to the channel. And also, don't be cheeky. And also, welcome to the Tree Squad.
Hello.
You gonna say end us out?
Peace to the out and subscribe and like and comment and do everything you can to support our channel. Bye.